everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am Sonia. I'm a makeup artist by profession. So for this particular video, I have made a video for makeup beginners and somebody who is pretty new in makeup, who doesn't have a lot of products, who doesn't know a lot of products. So this look is super easy. I have basically made a smoky eye by using two colors, red and orange. It complements my attire that I'm wearing right now, and with minimum makeup. Like, you do not need to have tons of products in order to create this look. Just follow the video from beginning to end and then you will understand the basics of makeup that you need to do in order to get a complete flawless makeup base. So if you want to know how to get this particular look and any look, like you can switch up the colors, so you can try anything. So this particular video is basically for the beginners in order to get a hang of how to do the makeup and what is the procedure. I have skipped contouring in this process because beginners cannot, like, if you're new to makeup, contouring is a difficult topic to cover, but I have used bronzer. It is a cheat code and it gives almost the same result, especially if you're going out and you don't want a heavy makeup, you just want a light makeup. Bronzer is something you should use. Like, it'll give you structure. It's amazing. So please watch the video till the end and let me know in the comments below what did you like about the video, what you didn't like about the video. I would love to read the comments, and please like the video and share it with your friends and family, and please subscribe to the channel. And also, I am very active on Instagram, so if you're not following me there, please make sure that you do that. The link will be in the description below. Until then, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
So starting off, I am going to moisturize my face and I'm using the Nevia soft moisturizer. It's very important to make sure that your skin is hydrated before you start applying any kind of makeup product on your skin. So for the brows, I'm going to be using NYX brow pencil. I'm just going to lightly brush through my brows and start filling it in. And make sure that you always use a light hand. Do not use any heavy hand because then it might look too dark or it might look chunky, so we don't want that. So now it's time for the eyeshadow, but before that I'm gonna put a base on my eyes. Well, this is basically to cancel out any kind of pigmentation and to have a blank canvas to paint on, something like that. So whenever you're applying an eyeshadow, especially if you're working with bright colors, I would highly recommend going in and putting a base, maybe an eyeshadow base or a concealer, and then just lightly brushing powder over it. I'm using my NYX palette here and I'm taking this orange shade, and always dust off excess product on your brush, and then I have started putting it on my crease and I'm blending it upwards. Then I'm taking another brush and I am taking that mauvey red color. It has like a reddish brown undertone, and I'm putting it on top of my lid. And to get more intensity, I'm using my finger here. It's always a good idea to go in with your fingers and tap the color onto the lid. It gives more payoff and it looks more pretty. Then I'm taking the same brush and I'm picking up the same color and I'm putting it in my lower lash line to basically harmonize the eye. To highlight my inner corners and my brow bone, I'm using this palette by Swiss Beauty, and I'm taking that golden shade and I'm putting it in my inner corners, and I'll also put it in my brow bone. This is a key to make your eyes pop out and give it an extra glam. So for the liner, I'm using L'Oreal liner. I have listed all the products down below in the description box, so please do check it out if you have any questions regarding that. Then make sure that when you're drawing your eyeliner, well, in my case I have actually gone for the fox liner, which means I haven't pulled it all the way inside. It's just the outer upper lash line and lower lash line. For mascara, as you can see, I have gone with Maybelline mascara and I'm applying a generous coat over my lashes. So for the face, as you can see, again I'm going with the Swiss Beauty palette, and this is the concealer and highlighter palette, and I'm using one shade lighter than my skin tone, and I'm applying it right in my inner corners and the outer corners of my eyes. What this does is it all uplifts your under eye area, and also it basically snatches your eyes. What that means is basically that it gives you an elongated eye look, and currently I'm obsessed with this eye look. And because I don't have any eye bags and I don't need to use a lot of concealer, so I basically use concealer for highlighting purpose. If you have dark circles or if you have a little bit of dark area under your eyes, you definitely need to use a darker concealer in order to cover that. So I'm applying this concealer cum highlighter on all the high points of my face, my temple and the bridge of the nose, and then I'm gonna start blending it, and then you will see it literally brings out all the high points of your face. Make sure the beauty blender you're using is damp, because then it is much easier to blend the product. Especially cream products are much easier to blend when your beauty sponge is damp. And you can see me making weird faces here, which is part of the process. I'm setting that with my Maybelline pressed powder, and this is a compact powder. You can also use banana powder, but I feel like banana powder is too drying, so this works best for me. So for the bronzer, I'm using the Bahama Mama palette, and this is such an amazing bronzer, you guys. If you do not have this, go and get this in your shade. This is amazing, and I'm just putting it wherever I want to contour my face, so my cheekbones, and then on the side of my nose and on my temple. So what will this do is basically this will add color to your face, this will add some warmness, and it will also give a nice shape and structure to your face. You can also see me applying it under my jawline, and this will basically act as a contouring shadow for my face. So for the blush, I'm using this palette by Maybelline, and as you can see, the colors of the blush are very neutral. It's like a peachy blush, and I really like this color. So I'm applying it on the apple of my cheeks, and I'm also gonna apply it on my nose. I feel like it personally, I really like when I apply blush on my nose. It gives a really nice look. Then I'm going back on my highlighter palette, and I am taking the same golden shade and I am highlighting the bridge of my nose and also my cupid's bow. So for the lipstick, I'm using this by Gala London. I do not know the exact shade, so I will list it in the description box. And that finishes the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and found it helpful, and I really want to thank you guys for watching the video, and then see you in my next video. Bye.